Hi guys, welcome to today's video. I don't exactly know what this video is, but let me just explain my thought process behind filming and putting this video together. So I am having a kind of like an emotional day. I'm very emotionally torn up about a couple of things that are happening in my life right now. And what I like to do on emotional days is kind of like step back from the world and just sit in my room and just do things that make me happy. And basically I've been doing that all day. All I've been doing today is eating chocolate, watching anime, and just chilling. But I decided I wanted to take my chill to the next level by doing a facial, like an at-home facial, like taking my skincare routine to the next level by doing things that I don't usually do all the time, just to make myself feel good, just to pamper myself and to make myself feel better. So literally this is me at home just doing my skincare, like doing an extensive version of my skincare routine to make myself feel better. Literally, I'm not wearing a bra, I'm wearing shorts, like I'm just at home doing my thing. If you like this video, I don't know if I'll put this video up, but if you like this video and you want to see more of this, please subscribe to my channel. I'd love for you guys to join my family. After subscribing, please click on the notification bell so that you'll always get notifications on new videos. Alright, let's get into some self-care. Alright, so we're gonna be doing skincare. We're gonna be doing a very extensive version of my skincare routine. I wore makeup yesterday, but all I did last night was use wipes and go to bed, which was terrible. So I'm gonna double cleanse today. This is coconut oil, pure coconut oil, and I'm just gonna rub some coconut oil on my face, like just to remove any remaining makeup and just to like deeply remove anything. This is mostly for makeup removal, so this is me trying to remove the makeup from yesterday. This is the towel that I use to remove my makeup. What I simply do is I wet the towel. I usually put this in a bucket, but I'm not doing that right now because like moving back and forth across the camera is not what I want to do. I'm just gonna take the wet side, rub this all off. Alright, so I have coconut oil in my eye. Can you guys hear that? My phone is ringing. BRB. So I ordered pizza and wings because self-care day. Self-care day for me is an excuse to be lazy, spend money, and just live my best lonely inward life. So I removed the coconut oil and the makeup, and my face is looking fresh already. Pizza guy's calling me again. Apparently they got my address wrong, so I have to now text them my address. Alright, since that, now let's move on. I am now going to cleanse my skin. Don't forget I said I was going to be double cleansing, so I'm going to be using the Beauty Formula's Activated Charcoal Detox Cleanser. Absolutely one of my favorite cleansers. I really like using it, and it's very affordable as well. You can get it at many supermarkets, but I get mine on their website directly. And if you use my code OMOGEMURA20%, you get monies off. To be specific, you get 20% off. Isn't that amazing? The major reason why I love this cleanser is the fact that it cleans your skin, but it doesn't strip it. So your skin feels good. It doesn't feel like you rubbed sandpaper. It's not dry. It's just a really nice cleanser. Long time no physical exfoliation. I'm gonna be using the Nikkei Oil Kenyan Coffee face polish to exfoliate my face. I don't do physical exfoliators a lot. I only do them when I'm like, for example, self-care, like when I'm doing like an extra version of my skincare routine, or if my skin has been like really acting up. There's sometimes that my skin just likes to act up and it gets flaky and dry, especially around my nose. That's when I use physical exfoliation. It's watery, and I think it's because my cousin poured water in it. She doesn't know that I know, but I've left her to good. Just pour a little bit in my hand right here. I just scrub it all over my face. I don't know what it is, but I love the feeling of rubbing my face and feeling like the exfoliating, like the beads, the coffee beans and everything. Just rubbing against my face. I really like how it feels. Alright, I'm done with that. I'm gonna rinse it off. That just makes my face feels so good. That literally just made my face feel good. Alright, so now let us go into my room where we'll do the rest of the routine. My face is nice and dry right now, and I'm going to use my excuse me, I'm gonna use my toner. I'm just gonna take the Pixie Glow Tonic, this toner right here, and I'm gonna put it on this cotton pad and wipe my face with it. Already, just by using this toner, you can see my skin literally glowing. This is why they call this the glow tonic. My face has dried and I'm going to be using a mask. This is the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Hydrating Mask with hyaluronic acid. This was a gift from Beauty Frenzy. You guys, please, if you need to shop for makeup or any like makeup and skincare, please shop with Beauty Frenzy. She has amazing products, and this is one of the amazing products she stocks. So this is the hydrating 100% hydrogel mask, and it's one of those masks that you put it on, you have it on your face for a bit, and then when you remove the mask, like the sheet, you rub the rest of it in your face like a serum. So I've cleansed my face, I've exfoliated, I've done everything. Now it's time to use the mask. Open it like this. It's a single-use gel mask right here. Sometimes I'm scared I'm so bushy to use these kind of things. But this looks like the eye part. It's so sticky. Oh my god, it feels so cool on my skin. But like one eye is covered. Okay, that's oh, it feels very cooling on the skin. Like I feel like I should have kept this in the fridge to kind of enhance the cooling, but god, this feels so good on my skin. That is like a burst of freshness right there. And I have these eye flaps, so when I close my eyes I can just put it on top. And then we have the mouth piece down here. Ooh, that feels amazing. Yes, this feels very nice. And of course this is for the lips. Thank you Beauty Frenzy for gifting me this, because this feels amazing. This is exactly what I needed today. Alright, so they said it needs to chill, or needs to stay on your face for 15 to 30 minutes. My pizza guy. You guys, I'm gonna go meet the pizza guy like this. So I'm gonna lie down in my bed, my unmade bed by the way, and I'm gonna wait for this thing to dry. Alright guys, so I switched over to my phone. I'm about to go and pick up my pizza with this face mask on. I hope he isn't scared of me when he sees me. Good afternoon. Hello, Mohammed.
Is this what you're for?
Yes, this is me.
It's
yes.
Because this address here is not your address, so I don't know.
I'm confused as well. The guy wasn't spooked at all. He said nothing. He just, it was business as usual. So it has been about 20 minutes and I'm tired of this mask on my face. So I'm gonna remove that. That feels so good. Like my skin feels very nice. Alright, bye jellies. Alright, now I'm going to use a serum, and I actually want to use a new serum. Hold on. This is the L'Occitane or L'Occitane, I can't pronounce this thing, but it's the L'Occitane Overnight Reset Oil in Serum. It gives you revitalized skin, smoothened fine lines, and youthful appearance. This is the first time I'm ever using this serum. This is what the bottle looks like. It's a night serum, but I'm using it now because I feel like, you know, my skin could use it. I'm gonna take a couple of pumps. Ooh, it feels very cooling on the skin. Ooh. Oh my god, my face feels so good. Oh wow. This feels like heaven on my skin. Wow, like look at the way my skin just looks. This is nice. This is a nice serum. I like the way it feels on my face. I really like the way it feels on my face. My face feels good. And this is just a serum, and it has already absorbed into my skin. My skin feels so good. I love the way my skin feels. I love it. I'm going to moisturize my skin because I have to moisturize. This is just a serum. It feels like a moisturizer though, but I still need to moisturize. This is the Simple Hydrating Light Moisturizer. It is my favorite moisturizer right now. Just a little dollop is needed. My face feels fantastic. I love the way my face feels. Now, last but not the least, I am breaking out here. I have a pimple here. I think my hormones are acting up, so I want to use an acne control serum. This is basically a mixture of oils. It has grapeseed oil, jojoba oil, rosemary, basil, and saffron. And these oils are very good for pimples and for acne. So I'm just gonna take this serum, just take a couple of drops, just like a couple, rub it together, and ladies, look at that glow. Look at this glow, booze. Look at this glow. I can use that Ariana Grande lyric right now. You know that one, like, my smile is beaming, my skin is gleaming, the way it shine, I know you see it. I need to moisturize my lips. My one and only favorite lip balm. This is the Sheer Moisture African Water Mint and Ginger Shea Butter Lip Balm. And that is it, guys, for my self-care skincare routine. Doing my skincare actually makes me feel better whenever I'm having a bad day. And actually recording it and filming it for you guys also felt very good and very interesting and therapeutic. So I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making the video. Do let me know what you think, but leave me a comment below. If you have any questions about any of the products that I used in this video, please ask me and I'll answer all of them. Do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, click on the notification bell, give this video a thumbs up because it helps my channel, and do not forget to be awesome. I love you. Bye! Guys, look at my skin. Ooh, look at my skin, guys. Look at this. This is what good skin makes me feel like. It just makes me feel like I'm sexy. It makes me feel like I can conquer the entire world. Like, look at that glow. That glow is epic.